Hi guys, today I will be test driving the e-Golf or the full electric Golf. I will drive it on the highway, in the city and on country roads. The range of this car in theory is 300 kilometers. If you want to know more about my experience with the range, watch the end of the video. So this car has 136 horsepower and 290 Newton meters of maximum torque. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 9.6 seconds. On paper that doesn't sound that exciting, however in practice the car feels very sporty and dynamic. Its maximum speed is 150 kilometers per hour, so it's perfectly suited to drive on the highway. The transmission is in B mode, so the Golf brakes when you let go of the gas pedal. This way it charges the battery. So now I put the transmission in D mode, which is basically normal mode. So this is more suited for sporty driving or driving, for example, on the highway. Also has the driving aid systems like lane assist, front assist. Should be active now, the lane assist. As you can see, the Golf takes over the steering. I just picked up the car from the contact center, and the range, the actual range is 261 kilometers. You can put this animation on the screen where you can see what the car is doing, if it's charging or decharging. So guys, this is the end of my test drive. As you can see, I did 125 kilometers during this test drive. I still have about 109 kilometers left in the as range. So I think it's correct to assume that you have more than 200 kilometers of range. The official range of this car is 300 kilometers. In the press file, they were talking about 200 kilometers of range in reality. So I think in reality, maybe you even have a bit more range, since I was driving at some parts of my test drive rather sporty.